it's Madeline and I'm here with a very special video today about RAPID TCT, the largest North American additive manufacturing and industrial 3D printing event. So stay tuned because I'll be telling you a bit more about what to expect this year. RAPID TCT will be taking place from April 8th to 10th in Motor City, Detroit. Already more than 400 exhibitors have confirmed their place where they will be showing the latest innovations in AM, including applications, materials, post-processing, and of course, 3D printers. There will also be the Additive Manufacturing Service Providers Pavilion, where companies that may not have the capabilities for industrial 3D printings can come and meet with companies that can help you to adopt additive manufacturing or create parts that better serve your needs. With more than 300 speakers and 150 hours of technical content, it is without a doubt that the conference is the crown jewel of the event. What is particularly interesting is the keynote series, where you can join in with the Executive Perspectives panel discussions with leaders in 3D printing like Stratasys, HP, EOS, and many others, as they talk about the current state of additive manufacturing, giving insights into its current state. RAPID TCT is a unique opportunity for both 3D printing companies and users to come and learn about the latest trends in additive manufacturing. It is also the ideal opportunity to connect with others working in the industry as well as other sectors through networking sessions that are scheduled for each day and after parties during the night. So don't miss your chance. If you haven't registered yet, you can do so using the 3D Natives code, which will give you either a free expo pass or 20% off a conference pass. See you at RAPID TCT.